I am not from Wakanda. I am from Trinidad and Tobago. And if you all want to see how I did this look, keep watching. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe! If this is your first time tuning in, I would love to have you. So please hit that subscribe button if you all are interested in seeing me trying to recreate new looks and stuff like that, or if you all are into DIY hair products and makeup stuff. Anything to do with makeup, follow me on Instagram. Yes, girl, follow me on Instagram and also subscribe. What are you guys waiting for? So without further ado, guys, let's get into this video. Hey, so I've already went on ahead and put on my foundation, and I put highlight below my foundation. I've done that so many times, so I didn't feel the need to put it on camera today. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is put my Sacha Buttercup to my under eye, my nose, and all those highlighting areas. So now I'm going into my BhCosmetics Modern Mattes palette, and I'm going to be using, with a fluffy big brush, this shade right here. I'm not seeing it, so I'm going to go in with some orange. So now I'm going into my BhCosmetics foiled palette, foiled eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. It's also the darkest gold shade they have. Now the reason I'm actually using this and I'm not putting on any primer on my eyes is because her makeup is really dark in the video, but I chose to put a little pop or something. Matte brown eyeshadow from Arista. So now that I've finished my eyes, which is a very simple look, all I'm going to do is apply some eyeliner, some mascara, no falsies, and I'll be back. Now I'm going to apply my Arista matte brown on my under eye to just smoke it out a little. So now I'm going to brush off my Sacha Buttercup. So now what I'm going to do is my Arista matte brown once again, and I'm going to contour my nose and just do my contours with this. I like using my fingers because I don't know, I think I get better control with my fingers. Now I'm going to apply some Cari Mia brown face powder all over my face just to pull, sort of set whatever other foundation I have on my face. My LA Girl Spice palette and my favorite blush shade, which is this. Alright, and the last thing I'm going to add is my highlight, you know, because I gotta be glowing. So it's my Perfusion palette. And I'm going to be using the darkest shade because I love it oh so much. Now I'm putting all this glow because I noticed in the preview they were looking a little shimmery, so I'm just adding a little, I'm just doing a little extra, not too extra, just a little bit. Now I'm going to calm it down. Now that I am all lined up, I'm going to be using my Berries lipstick from Estee Edits in the shade Nude number 6. that that's done, now I need to go and Africify my face a little bit more. But before I Africify my face a little more, here's a little message from our sponsors. So I'm going with my Profusion highlight palette again, the darkest shade, and I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone area. So now, because I don't have any paints, I'm going back into my matte palette. I'm using my fingers and I'm using this white to try get my dots. So I'm gonna use my little finger. I hope I get it. So Chris, when I finished doing this, Chris is gonna remind me that I have this white thing right here. So I could kill him right now, but I'm not going to because, you know, it's all good. So this is the LA Colors Jumbo Pencil in white. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment on your Black Panther experience. Have you seen Black Panther yet? I haven't, but yo, I'm gonna be marching up in there. Yes! So if you all have seen it, don't spoil it for me. Don't tell me what happened. Just tell me how it was, okay? Did you dress up or did you dress down? Anyway guys, Trendy Mom Beauty is out. Bye!